We got a very menacing situation here at the racetrack in Ocala area. Got a young lady here and a dog named Olive who's very cute. Tell us what's happening at the gas station, ma'am.
I guess they're running out of gas.
They're running out of gas, folks. If you want to fill up, you better do it fast. So what's your backup plan?
Going to my friend's house.
Where do you
I don't
live?
know.
What part of town do you live in?
I live in Sebring.
Sebring, Florida. How was it bad traffic getting here?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Was Olive nervous?
Yes.
All right. We wish you the best, okay?
Tell us again how long it took you to get here from Sebring.
7 hours.
Oh my God.
Are you familiar with the flying spaghetti monster?